Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Dash. So Dash has been kind of just hanging around in the background. Not too many people have been really talking about it, and I think that's kind of surprising. Obviously, this 269.52 can kind of shoo some people away, thinking they can't make much money on a coin already priced so high and heavily. But I will say the market cap is still fairly low at $2.7 billion, and the volume in the last 24 hours being that 1.4 billion. We have a circulating supply as well at that 10.1 million Dash. So I think there's a lot of potential behind this coin, and we're going to take a look at the price chart, and then we're going to jump into what Dash is, and then we're going to do our price prediction like usual for April, May, and 2021 at the end of this video. If you haven't already liked the video, definitely like the video now or at the end of the video if you guys want to wait on that, but definitely subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on. So if we take a look at the week, we do see a 29.61% increase, a very solid increase. We continue to kind of see Dash continually increase over time, and if we take a look at the last year, you can actually see that. So we've increased over time, just slowly, and really January 30th, obviously this happened for a lot of altcoins. We saw big increases in Dash specifically, all the way up to a 336.76. Now we saw a very good correction, actually a fairly safe correction for Dash as well, because we stabilized out at this 224, 230 range, and we corrected a little bit more. However, we were able to recover in this last week, making our way back to $269.52. Obviously, when you guys check out this video, the price will be fluctuating a little bit. Right now it's at $269.28, and it just keeps going up and down a little bit. But you guys will get the point. It'll be the same message behind this video. I think there's a lot of potential behind Dash, and I think a lot of people are kind of missing out on it because of the high price point. I do want to say there's a lot of potential behind this because if we take a look at the last year alone, we have seen this kind of huge increase from January 30th to a very big, a large dip, really. Let's be honest here. It went from 336 to 205, but we're seeing this kind of stabilize now and increase yet again. I think this time we're going to go even almost higher than our previous all-time high on the next rise, and then I think we're going to continue to stabilize and correct just barely higher than this 220 range, 215 range, 205 range, just higher than that. We're going to continue to do these kind of large increases into a small correction, into a stabilization, into another large. I think that's going to continue. That kind of idea is going to continue for the next couple months, and I'm going to show you just exactly why that is. So Dash is, if you don't know, a cryptocurrency with optional speed, privacy features. Its unique network architecture consists of both regular miners and privileged machines called masternodes. So if we take a look at the actual website, learn a little bit more about Dash and the digital cash that is your money your way. Move Dash in a second for less than a cent, any amount, anytime, anywhere. I will say this does have a lot of potential behind it. The utility, the speed, the outright just easy, fast, and obviously just it's quick. It's a very cool idea behind it. And I want to say one thing real quickly, guys. I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing in any coin or cryptocurrency specifically. So they say your money your way. Move Dash in a second for less than a cent, any amount, anytime, anywhere. They go down to individuals. Digital money that's better than cash. Dash is instant, global, and easy to use. I do like the easy to use as well. I definitely think Dash is an easy to use. I've seen it used before, and I understand the purpose behind making it easy to use as well as instant. So they have businesses as well. Access a new generation of customers, near zero fees, instant settlement, and no chargebacks. You can get paid, shop, and pay bills as well. Dash gives you the freedom to move your money any way you want. Grab a coffee, split a check, pay your phone bill. Dash moves money anywhere to anyone instantly for less than a cent. They can also get the app on the on your computer. Get the desktop app, you can get the Android app, and you can get the iOS app. And this is where you can view all apps here and see where it's all available. There is a bunch of different places to grab Dash, and we won't really go into that much detail at the moment. But what our users say, so they talk about the Trustpilot, get Dash. Dash is easy to buy or receive online from friends or at an ATM near you. So Dash is obviously very, very big. I think it's going to continue to grow. Like we said, if we can see what users say, you can go to their Trustpilot and really get their reviews here. They have a 4.8 reviews. They have 68 total reviews as well. A lot of people love the support. They're talking about the great value, great team, longtime investor, user of Dash. Dash has always been high speed. It is cheapest, fastest crypto. So a lot of great reviews on Trustpilot. A lot of people understand that Dash is actually something that has good long-term potential behind it. And because of its easy to use features, the fast and the speed and capability of what Dash really is a utility token. And it talks about get going, grab a coffee, buy a plane ticket, or pay your phone bill. Dash is growing and is accepted by new businesses every day. This is the biggest important part about our price prediction when it comes to Dash. It's going to be just understanding how many businesses they can get to start accepting Dash. Obviously, if they stop right now and they don't get any new businesses and they get no new potential customers in the next couple years, my price predictions are unfortunately going to be a little off, because I'm going to continue to go with they're working hard at it and finding new potential business. So we're going to go with that, as well as they talk about the DASHPay wallet coming soon. This will definitely introduce some more customers and a lot more investors as well. The instant transaction and micro fees, any amount, anytime, anywhere. They continue to talk about the any amount, anytime, anywhere. Woo! As I kind of cough up there. So yeah, any amount, anytime, anywhere. They talk about that quite a lot on Dash, because Dash is one of those coins that they really do like the idea of just instantaneous and easy to use. So we'll go back to the price chart itself. And like I said, this is going to be basing it on the previous work that Dash has done with the upcoming potential, as well as the price chart that we're looking at. So a lot of different factors could change this in the upcoming weeks or months. However, we will continue to do updates on Dash. So like I said, if you like the channel, if you like Dash, subscribe to the channel, and we'll give you guys more and more updates on Dash specifically. So in the last year, we do see that 300% increase. And I do want to say, with the potential of them grabbing new and more businesses, as well as that Dash wallet coming out, I believe it was the Dash wallet here at the bottom, that is really going to impact this price for sure. DASHPay wallet, I should say. But yeah, if we take a look here, Dash, I think the price is going to continue to rise. If we do a quick refresh, see where we're at now, 269.62. I think we're going to easily see Dash by the end of April reach about 285, 290 mark. I think that's definitely a possibility. By the end of May, I think we're going to continue to see rising prices on Dash. I think, like I said, the volume right now is pretty high for the market cap. I think we have a low market cap right now with Dash, and I'm very surprised by that. I could see that market cap rising to about $5 billion, and with that, Dash will continue to increase. But in May specifically, I think Dash will be right around that 350, 375 range. Definitely a potential for much, much more. Remember, this is, you're not getting a 2x maybe by the end of May. However, this is probably one of the most utilized tokens out there right now, and I think because of the ease and the speed of Dash, I think it's going to start getting into a lot of people's hands just by coincidence. It's going to be one of those easy to use cryptos, and with the world kind of accepting crypto now, Dash has a great opportunity to jump in. We'll see what happens with Dash specifically in the next couple months and years. We'll definitely cover this one in the future, as well as more updates and projects are announced and talked about, and partnerships obviously with these bigger and bigger businesses. So I do think by the end of 2021, we could definitely see Dash making its way to about $600 to $700. It's definitely one of those coins I think will, like I said, continue to rise in value. Right now we're seeing a 3% increase in the last 24 hours, so there's not really a great entry point right now. I will say waiting for a dip is definitely maybe a safer bet, as we did see it go to 278 at about noon today. But I will say, I think this is going to dip back down, and the next dip may be your best time to get in at a good entry point. I think Dash is going to get above $300, and when it does, I don't think it's going to come back down very easily or very much. So I think Dash, like I said, it's a great coin. I think there's a lot of potential behind it, so we'll continue to cover it on the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in for today's video. If you guys haven't already joined the Discord, it is linked in the description below, as well as my Twitter. You can follow me there and learn more about crypto. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I will see you all in the next one.